Hello guys, welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a gate in your fence. As you can see, we have 8-foot fence. I already cut a gate, so this is the size of the gate we needed, and I pre-installed hinges I bought. I'm gonna provide a link where you can buy this product. It cost me around $10, and I think this is 8 inches hinge. As you can see, it's very big, and it was pretty easy for me because it wasn't easy for me because, as you can see, we have board on board. And what I did, I took this hinge, removed this board, and I just stick it like this inside. Then screw it in place, put one screw here, and on each hinge, as you can see, here I have a big board on this side. So that's, I'm sure the door is gonna be, not gonna fall. So, and I have last one left, it's gonna be in here. So I'm gonna install a third one. Now, this I use as a template, because as I said, you don't see the holes. Where the holes, you don't know. What I do, I put, as I said, as a template, align the holes, and now I know that I need to make a mark, take the pencil or something, pinch it here, and I know where I need to install a third screw. So this is how I do it, and I use simple tools. Cut this hole, mark first, cut, installed this 4x4x12 because we have a huge fence. I installed this 4x4 post, as you can see. Dug out a huge hole. I'm gonna pour cement, concrete, and we'll put some rocks in it. So here I added a support. This is 4x4 pressure treated lumber. And this is how I made the connection. 45 degrees. I didn't have one piece, so I connected 2 pieces together. So, and this is just to keep the gate steady. As you can see, I cut 2x4 and placed it across the gate. So, as you can see, the door now is moving towards us. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this 2x4 that is left, I'm gonna cut it in small pieces, probably like this. I'm gonna install it where the post meets this lumber, something like this. As I said, I'm gonna cut it in one place, I'm gonna cut it here as well, and then what is gonna be, it's gonna stop like this. Now you see what it's doing. It's moving forward. Once I'm gonna install this one, it's not gonna go anywhere, just forward. So, and because this is very heavy fence, very heavy gate, I bought this wheel. It calls gate caster. It cost me $20 in Lowe's. I'm gonna also provide a link where you can buy this product. It's gonna be in the description below, or I'm gonna also put somewhere in the video. So I need to also install a similar lumber here. Then I'm gonna screw it somewhere in here in place, and as you can see, it can also bounce a bit, and it's gonna keep this gate from leaning and in near future falling towards one end. So once it's in place, it's gonna be also very easy to open it. It feels like you don't even open a gate. So now I'm gonna cut a lumber on three pieces. So I need this one to be in 3 pieces. So now I have 3 pieces and now I'm gonna install it. So to avoid a wood split, I'm gonna pre-drill this piece of lumber into two places. I'm gonna install it with these big screws. Now I need to close the gate. See where I want this to stop. So now this piece is gonna stop a gate from moving to this side. You see? I think it should be just one enough, but I want to install also one here in the middle, because on the bottom I cannot install, but here I can. So this is where I'm gonna install the next one. Also will be a stop for a gate. And I need to add a second screw. So that's it. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing when I install hinges. As you can see, I already installed all of the screws on the top, on the bottom. Here I don't have a template to use. This is the last hinge I have. And as you can see, I just removed this port from the other one and here as well. So I'm taking right now my hinge. This is a place where I have a board, as you can see, right here. So I'm gonna place either here or like this. And I'm gonna install my hinge. I'm gonna start installing here first screws, and then I'm gonna continue on this side. The first screw is in. Now I'm gonna install this one to connect a gate to the hinge. Now our gate is connected to the hinge. I'm gonna find 2 more holes because, as I said, I don't have a template. So I'm gonna try to look. I have a gap here between the boards, so I'm trying to find the hole. Almost. I'm in. Done. And this is gonna be a tricky one, the last one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go from behind of this gate from the other side, and I'm gonna try if I can find a hole. I'm gonna use this drill bit to drill a hole from the other side. So find a hole. Awesome. Now I'm gonna install the last screw. And this is how it gets done. So now I'm gonna cut this big post to the right size, somewhere in there. So finished cutting the top. Now we can move to the next step. So just finished with this installation. As you can see, I even installed a gate latch. I had to put extra board just for this piece, and I'm gonna also put a link in the description of this video where you can buy this product. So the idea was that we didn't want our gate to be extremely visible. That's why we put and we cut the gate out of the fence. So also installed this gate wheel, and now it is extremely easy to open and close the gate. So as you can see, the gate is very heavy. This is 8-foot fence, and I can open it and close it with just one finger. This is awesome. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.